Welcome to today's episode with the Bio Buddies. Today we're going to be covering biotechnology by Shubi, Liba,
and Nav.
Let's get into it.
First, I'm going to cover the table of contents. We're going to start off with what is biotechnology, then we're going to go to medical biotechnology, then industrial biotechnology. Fourth, we're going to have environmental biotechnology, then agricultural biotechnology, and we're going to end off with impact and conclusion.
Again, we're going to be talking about what biotechnology essentially is. Biotechnology uses cellular and biomolecular processes to develop technologies and products that help improve society. Modern biotechnology provides products and technologies that can be used to combat certain diseases, reduce the environmental footprint, feed the hungry, use less and clean energy, and help make industrial manufacturing even more efficient than it already is. There are 4 types of biotechnology that we're going to be going into detail about: are medical biotechnology, industrial biotechnology, environmental biotechnology, and agricultural biotechnology. Let's get into it. The first biotechnology that we're going to be talking about is medical biotechnology. This is essentially a segment of medicine that uses living cells and materials to research and consequently create pharmaceutical and diagnosing products. The scope of medical biotechnology ranges from being used to develop diagnostic kits, vaccines, biologics, drugs, and even more medical machinery. A major example of medical biotechnology is the HPV or human papillomavirus vaccine. This vaccine helps prevent the HPV disease, which can cause cervical cancer, the second most lethal cancer for women, responsible for killing over 275,000 women annually. There are 2 vaccines in the market which could help prevent this disease, which include Cervarix and Gardasil, which are both FDA approved. In addition, another new biotechnology that can be helped to screen for these kinds of diseases are genetic testing kits, which not only scan for gene abnormalities but also provide helpful insight on a person's culture and heritage. Next, we're going to be discussing industrial biotechnology.
The second subcategory of biotechnology is industrial biotechnology. And this is the use of enzymes, microorganisms, and plants in the production and creation of chemical materials. The goal of these advancements is to transform current industrial processes into more environmentally friendly ones. The main concept revolves around improving enzyme catalysts and speeding up biochemical reactions known as industrial fermentation. Examples of industrial biotechnology are meat tenderizers, contact lens solution, and GMOs. Speeding up industrial processes is an advantage not only to the environment but also to the American bioeconomy. Recent advancements involve the usage of renewable plant-derived carbohydrates, lipids, and other compounds to replace petroleum and other fossil fuels. The goal is to create green industrial processes. Now we're moving on to environmental biotechnology.
Environmental biotechnology goes hand in hand with industrial biotechnology, working to preserve the environment. Goals involve mass production of renewable energy, removing pollution, and the genetic preservation of species. This is all attained through biochemical processes. Recycling biomass helps preserve natural resources, while other technologies aid in the bioremediation of land and water. These processes contribute to waste management, reforestation, soil conservation, and land rehabilitation. A well-known example of environmental biotechnology is phyto and microbial remediation of soil and water. Now we're going to move on to agricultural biotechnology. Biotechnology, agriculture. This involves technology that modifies agricultural practices to increase the yield of products or the quality of products. A popular method of doing this is gene isolation. Through CRISPR and other gene engineering technology, favorable genes in plants are isolated and implemented into new generations. Examples are selective plant and animal breeding. This technology has been around since the past few decades. Phytoremediation is another example that's also used in agriculture. This is to detoxify pollutants in soil and water that would otherwise be absorbed by plants. Now, onto the impacts and conclusion.
Biotechnology is a broad range of technologies that employ various cellular processes targeted towards benefiting society. As seen in our presentation, the effects can be seen medically, industrially, environmentally, and agriculturally. In addition to advancing in these particular fields, biotechnology can also help address many global issues such as climate change, aging, society, infectious diseases, and even energy security. In order to make the world a better place, there has to be a continuous effort in furthering and regulating biotechnology. However, the long-term impact demanded shows that this technology is critical for our planet.
Right. Thank you for tuning in on today's special on biotechnology with the Bio Buddies. Help make a change and be the change and contribute to our cause today. Thank you.